So friends, in today's video I am going to tell you that if you have Whirlpool Inverter AC and the remote of that AC looks like this and the remote of your AC is not working properly or the remote is damaged and you have to use your AC from mobile in emergency, then today I am going to tell you how you can use AC from mobile very easily. So let's start the video. Before using AC from mobile, keep in mind that if you have Xiaomi Redmi phone or your phone supports IR blaster, then only you can use AC from your mobile. That too without Wi-Fi connectivity, and you can use your AC anytime offline. So friends, first of all open Play Store in your mobile. After opening Play Store, search Mi Remote. Install Mi Remote. Mi Remote has been installed. Now agree to all the terms and conditions of Mi Remote. Now you touch Add Remote. After that the main page of Mi Remote app will open. In the main page, go to the symbol of AC. Now make sure that you turn on the main supply of your AC. Now search and find Whirlpool. Now go to Whirlpool and use the mobile in the same way as you use the remote of AC. And now you can see in the screen of the mobile, checking available configuration 1 to 13. Now you can see the green color power button in the mobile. Now press this power button. If your AC is making a beep sound after pressing the power button, then you have to click yes. And if your AC is not making a beep sound, then you have to click no. After that the second remote will appear. If your AC is not connecting, then click no, and continue this process further. Until your AC makes a beep sound, you have to keep doing no. Now my AC is making a beeping sound for the third time, so now I will touch yes. After that, press the power button again. Now you can see on the screen, has the device turned off? So you say yes. Now in the next page, touch the right symbol. After that, the remote of your AC will be completely made. You can easily use almost all the functions of AC in emergency. Believe me that I have done a good practical before making this video. I am uploading this video only when I am successful in this video. I hope you have understood the information given by me, so please like my video.